Hello folks, I'm out looking for more signs of magic on Dartmoor. Look at this, look folks, stumbled across this. This is a bit more than bushcraft, it's very well made. I think it's probably someone's favourite magical place and they've built this to appease the fairies. It's too well made for kids. I don't think it's bushcraft. It's got a little door in it. There's a little silver star there, just above the door. Moss roof, little tray. Look at all this up, folks. Little lintel, door. I haven't looked in there yet. I wonder if there's anything in there. Mr. Fairy, are you at home? Well, it's dark in there, I can't see anything. There's little bits of white there, I don't know if that's bits of bone or what that is. I'm going to put everything back as it is. And I'm going to leave an offering. A silver sixpence, sorry, it's not a silver sixpence, what I'm talking about. A silver 10p bit. As a sign of respect, I'm not taking any chances. I am superstitious, so superstitious people, I think I've got to be careful. As you know folks, I go on a lot of walks and I found something interesting today. I found this tree folks with this on it, look. That there, G, you quite often see that with a pentagram in Masonic lodges. The Z, death and transformation. I'm not really sure what all this means folks, but if you look down here, it's a jackdaw, quite a large black bird. I don't think that's a good sign. I don't think this is a good thing. Looking at the bird, it looks quite fresh. Normally a fox would have it away, but it's quite fresh. I would say someone's been here to do something within a day or so. I just found this, look folks, placed over the little branch. It's like a wooden bracelet. That looks like if it's been placed there, left. Maybe somebody wants to get closer to nature, to the earth. I've just had a good look around folks. There's evidence of fires. It's way out of the way, it's not a place where kids are likely to come. And also, just spotted this. There's a cross on the tree. That means God's Gabriel. It's Porto. That's been there for a long time. So there's definitely things that have gone on out here. Look at this look folks. It's like stone markers. There's one there. There's quite a few around here. There's another one there. There's a few up through the track. It's like a marker to something maybe. Legend has it, fairies can't move stones, so they get people to do it for them. All this moss. There's loads of it here. And legend says that fairies get their power from moss. And also, some of them are made of moss. This place is very special to someone. As always folks, if there's anything I've missed out or I've misinterpreted or anything, please let me know. Thanks for joining us. Take care folks.